The secondary pulley shaft is splined to a helical reduction drive gear. It meshes with a similar reduction driven gear, splined to the final drive pinion shaft. The final drive pinion meshes with the final drive ring gear to transmit the drive to the differential case. Selecting D provides a normal driving mode from start-off to maximum speed. Speed change occurs between 1600 and 4000 RPM, depending on whether acceleration is gradual or rapid. At cruising speed, when pressure on the accelerator is reduced, the pulley ratio is at a maximum and the transmission is in overdrive. If the accelerator is depressed while cruising, the pulley ratio shifts to minimum and vehicle speed rises quickly. In the DS position, ratio changes can occur only in the higher zone of the speed change region. In reverse, the pulleys are locked in a low ratio position. No speed ratio changes take place. In park, the secondary pulley is mechanically locked to the transmission case.